In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wi-Fi in Zorin OS. So to do that, you first need to head over to your Zorin, and in order to set up your Wi-Fi, you just need to head over and click on the indicator icons on the right side of the panel to open the indicator. You can see it right here. Now click onto the arrow beside the Wi-Fi button to expand the available networks menu. Once you're in there, you can choose your preferred Wi-Fi network from the list connected. Now click on the Wi-Fi. You may need to enter the Wi-Fi network's password to connect. Once you have selected that, you can head over and then use your Wi-Fi as usual. Now, if you cannot connect to a Wi-Fi network, you first need to toggle your computer's Wi-Fi switch or try to connect using the Ethernet wire cable. That way, you should be able to have a Wi-Fi directly connected into your device. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.